The CAT electric pressure washer 1850 psi 1.4 GPM is a powerful cleaning tool that can produce up to 1,850 pounds per square inch of pressure and 1.4 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime. This pressure washer is equipped with a three-piston pump and an 1800-watt motor, which together provide optimal cleaning performance. The CAT electric pressure washer also boasts a total stop system, which enhances the lifespan of both the motor and pump by stalling the pump when the trigger is released. This pressure washer comes with a variety of durable accessories, including a 20-foot non-kink hose, a 3-in-1 nozzle system, a 600 milliliter detergent foam blaster, and a 35-foot electric cord. The CAT electric pressure washer is easy to move around, thanks to its pre-installed 8-inch wheels and integrated foldable handle. Finally, the pressure washer features a compact design with versatile onboard storage, including an integrated hook system for coiling the hose and power cord, and a dedicated storage port for the foam cannon, pressure gun, and quick connect lance.